The benefits of aloe vera for hair. Aloe vera, a plant revered for its medicinal and cosmetic properties, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. When it comes to hair care, aloe vera is a powerhouse of nutrients, offering numerous benefits that promote healthy, strong, and vibrant hair. Here's a detailed look at the benefits of aloe vera for hair. 1. Promotes hair growth. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes, which help repair dead skin cells on the scalp. This creates an optimal environment for hair follicles to thrive, encouraging healthy hair growth. Moreover, the vitamins and minerals in aloe vera, such as vitamins A, C, and E, help to rejuvenate the scalp and promote new cell growth, contributing to stronger, longer hair over time. 2. Moisturizes hair and scalp. One of aloe vera's standout properties is its ability to retain moisture. Its high water content and gel-like consistency make it an excellent natural moisturizer. Aloe vera penetrates the hair shaft and scalp deeply, hydrating dry and brittle hair. For individuals with naturally curly or textured hair, aloe vera is especially beneficial in combating dryness and promoting softness. 3. Reduces dandruff and itchy scalp. Dandruff often results from a dry, flaky scalp or fungal infections. Aloe vera's antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties help combat these issues. It soothes irritation and reduces itching by hydrating the scalp and balancing its pH levels. Additionally, its enzymes help clean dead skin cells, ensuring the scalp remains healthy and free of buildup. 4. Strengthens hair strands. Aloe vera is rich in nutrients such as amino acids and fatty acids, which strengthen hair strands and reduce breakage. The plant's keratin-like composition mimics the structure of hair protein, making it an excellent natural conditioner. By reinforcing the hair shaft, aloe vera improves elasticity and prevents split ends. 5. Balances scalp pH levels. Maintaining the pH balance of the scalp is crucial for healthy hair. Many commercial hair products disrupt the natural pH, leading to scalp irritation and hair damage. Aloe vera has a pH level close to that of the scalp, helping to restore balance and prevent issues like excessive oiliness or dryness. If you've watched this video this far, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. 6. Detoxifies the scalp. Hair products and environmental factors can cause product buildup on the scalp, clogging hair follicles and hindering hair growth. Aloe vera acts as a natural cleanser, removing residue and excess oils while keeping the scalp moisturized. This detoxifying effect revitalizes the scalp and encourages healthy hair development. 7. Natural conditioner for smooth, shiny hair. Aloe vera is an excellent alternative to synthetic conditioners. Its gel-like texture coats the hair strands, locking in moisture and smoothing the cuticles. This results in soft, shiny, and manageable hair. For an added boost, aloe vera can be mixed with other natural ingredients like coconut oil or honey to enhance its conditioning properties. 8. Prevents hair loss. Hair loss can stem from various causes, including scalp inflammation, clogged follicles, and weak hair roots. Aloe vera addresses these issues by nourishing the scalp, reducing inflammation, and providing essential vitamins and minerals to strengthen hair roots. Regular use of aloe vera can reduce hair thinning and promote a fuller, healthier head of hair. 9. Soothes scalp conditions. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory and cooling properties make it effective for soothing scalp conditions such as psoriasis, eczema, and seborrheic dermatitis. It alleviates redness, flaking, and irritation while promoting overall scalp health. Its antimicrobial properties also help prevent infections that can exacerbate these conditions. 10. Improves hair texture. For those with frizzy or unmanageable hair, aloe vera can work wonders. It smooths and softens hair, making it easier to style and less prone to tangles. Over time, regular use of aloe vera can improve the overall texture of hair, leaving it silky and more vibrant. How to use aloe vera for hair. Aloe vera hair mask. Mix fresh aloe vera gel with coconut oil or olive oil. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes before rinsing with a mild shampoo. Aloe vera shampoo. Add a few tablespoons of aloe vera gel to your regular shampoo. This enhances the shampoo's cleansing and moisturizing properties. Aloe vera scalp treatment. Massage fresh aloe vera gel directly onto your scalp. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes to soothe irritation and nourish the scalp. Leave-in conditioner. Dilute aloe vera gel with water in a spray bottle. Use it as a leave-in conditioner to hydrate and detangle your hair. Aloe vera and lemon treatment. Combine aloe vera gel with lemon juice. Apply it to your scalp to combat dandruff and excess oil. Precautions and tips. Patch test. Before using aloe vera on your scalp or hair, perform a patch test to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Fresh gel is best. Whenever possible, use fresh aloe vera gel extracted directly from the plant for maximum benefits. Regular use. Consistency is key to achieving the desired results. Use aloe vera-based treatments at least once or twice a week. In summary, aloe vera is a versatile and natural solution for a wide range of hair concerns, from dryness and dandruff to hair loss and frizz. Its nutrient-rich composition, combined with its soothing and moisturizing properties, makes it a must-have for anyone looking to improve their hair's health and appearance. By incorporating aloe vera into your hair care routine, you can unlock the secret to strong, shiny, and beautiful hair, all while harnessing the power of nature. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, bye.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.